night the District Court in The Hague delivered its verdicts in the Dutch national prosecution of 4 men accused of downing MH17. This is the longest trial in Dutch criminal history. It started nearly 1,000 days ago. And today it has delivered justice and delivered truth for the 298 people on board MH17 and for the 38 people who called our country home and for their families. And I start by saying that my thoughts today are with those who lost a loved one, the families, friends and all those for whom grief remains, unfathomable grief, and I acknowledge how long you have waited for this truth to come out. 2 Russian nationals and a Ukrainian separatist have been found guilty of the murder of all those on board, and a 3rd Russian defendant has been acquitted. The delivery of these verdicts is an important step in efforts to hold those responsible to account. It delivers the answers families have sought. It delivers confirmation that the Russian Federation have responsibility. Separatists had direction from Russia. Russia supplied weapons, training, money, and the missile which downed the plane. We call on Russia to surrender those convicted so they may face the court sentence for their heinous crime. In relation to this, what I would say is that the world today knows that Igor Girkin, Sergei Dubinsky and Leonid Kharchenko downed an aircraft and murdered 298 people on board and are now sentenced for life. And no amount of avoidance, obfuscation, disinformation by the Russian Federation can avoid that fact.